Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be looking at how to use an existing backup of your WordPress website. And to use an existing backup, you go to plugins, click on installed plugins, then you scroll down to updraft, backup and restore. You click on settings, then you scroll down to existing backups. And as you can see, I have 4 existing backups already. When will you want to use an existing backup of your WordPress website? So let's say you make a mistake and you want to return to an earlier version of your WordPress website. So for example, I'll go to my website, visit website, and on my website, I have my home page, about page, services, and contact page. So let's say I delete the contact page, the services page, and make some changes on my website. So I've made all the changes we all love existing backup. So you can see the changes I've made, and also the button back me up now. And as you can see, my home page button is here, about button is here, but the services and contact is not here. So let's say I want to go back to an earlier version of my WordPress website. Now to do that, you go back to your dashboard and go to plugins. Click on installed plugins. You go back to updrafts and backup and restore. Click on settings. Now from the existing backup, I have 4 backups. So you have the choice to choose from the backups. So you can see the backup date, May 26th, you see the time, May 23rd, you see the time, and other backups. So let's say I want to choose the most recent version, which is May 26th. So what I'll do, I'll go to the actions and click on restore. And ensure you click all the options here. Click on next. And you wait for the downloading backup file to finish. So the backup archive file has been successfully processed. And you click on restore and you wait for the restoration progress. So the restoration is successful. Now WordPress will log you out. And what you need to do, you put your username and your password. Now you've logged in successfully, and you click on return to updraft configuration and you scroll up. And you can see the notification, your backup has been restored. Now before you click delete old folder, ensure that your site is up and running. So I'll click to visit my site, and as you can see, my backup is successfully restored. We all love nature, and my services page and contact page is here. Then you click and go back to the dashboard. So you go back to plugins, go back to installed plugins. You go to updraft, backup and restore. Click on settings. Now you can delete the old folders. So old folders successfully removed. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I would like to know how today's video has helped you in your WordPress career journey. Like, subscribe and share.